This is a quick video to show you side by side a teacher computer and a student Chromebook and what the experience is like for both when you're using Google Meets nicknames. So for my meeting, I'm just going to use Moontree. And for over here at the student side, the first thing you notice for students is they do not have a join meeting. All they have is the ability to use a meeting code. So I'll go ahead and type in that same. And you notice at this point, I have not pressed continue on the teacher side of it. So on the student side of it, I will try before the teacher presses continue. And you see that they get this little error down here. You're not allowed to start a meeting because students are not allowed to start a meeting. Now, if the teacher goes ahead and presses continue, and they have not joined a meeting, let's see what happens there on the student side. And when I press continue now, so again, the teacher on their computer still has not pressed join now. And what does the student experience look like? And you see that they get this error when they try to do that. There's a problem joining this video call. Try again in a few minutes. So they're going to need to return because the teacher has not joined the meeting yet, so they can't be in there. So I'll just get this lined up here. And they just need to wait until the teacher joins. So now I'm going to go ahead and join as a teacher. The teacher's in there into the Moontree meeting or any other district staff member. And now what happens for the student, now they are able to join as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and mute this mic here. Now, removing students, that has also been a question. So if you go over here for the participants, and I'll make sure the student joins here. So now we have the student and the teacher both in the meeting, but the teacher's done, ready to move on. So they're going to come over here and press the participants, and then the student here, Jacob Lewis, they are going to remove them by pressing this little minus sign. So again, they're both still in the meeting. When you press the minus sign, this pops up. Remove Jacob Lewis from the call, and I'll go ahead and press remove and watch what happens on the student side over here. They are immediately get this screen right here. Return to home screen. Okay. Now at this point, they could still type in Moontree, get in, because the teacher has not hung up yet. But let's see what happens when the teacher presses that hang up button. And so they've gone, they're on this screen here. And let's see what happens if the students try to get in later in the day at any time. Going again to Moontree, trying to get in. And they've got a problem because the teacher is not in the meeting. So Google, nice and secure in that fashion.